Blank screen on Trane XL824 thermostat, have reset breaker, pulled off of wall and realized this model doesn't contain batteries. Manual says potential issue with airbay wiring, but do not see a airbay in the wiring diagram of the manual.
Where in your home is your Trane thermostat installed? How old is it?
It is almost 3 years old, and this is installed on the main level in the main living area, 3-ton unit.
How long has this been going on with your Trane thermostat? What have you tried so far?
Have reset breaker, pulled off thermostat and hand tested for loose connections there from the thermostat wire, 3 other units in the home, but the other 2 control a separate unit, no issues with them, noticed issue today, but Nexia says not connected since April 19, 2021.
Is there anything else the HVAC tech should know before I connect you? Rest assured that they'll be able to help you.
Not that I can think of.
Hello, my name is Billy. You will get a computer-generated phone call offer that is not from me. If you wish to have a phone call, I can opt out. A blocked condensate drain switch can cut power to the thermostat. Do you have access to the blower unit?
I do. I'll need to go upstairs and check this.
Can you post a pic of the unit?
Well, I may have pointed out the issue for me.
Is there water in the pan?
Sir. Its hard pipes out. Assume the overflow is behind the panel if hard pipe is clogged.
Okay, you need to get a wet vacuum and get the drain cleared, and then you will be back in business. The safety turns off the thermostat to save water damage.
Took the panel off and figured it out. That's most likely cause. Thank you, sir. Damn, I feel dumb lol for not looking closer as I troubleshot. That's what 4 kids do. Headed to town for a new vac, and some vinegar makes sense. Thanks so much.
You are very welcome, and I wish you the best.
Just gave a 5-star review for you. Thank you, Billy. First time on the site as well. Can y'all receive tips? Didn't see an option.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.